Introducing the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, your new best friend for floor cleaning. This high-tech robot minimizes your workload with advanced features. Let's explore its capabilities and what makes it a must-have. The Roomba J9 Plus features PrecisionVision Navigation. This allows it to identify and avoid obstacles in your home. It combines this with smart mapping, which learns your home's layout for efficient room-by-room cleaning. Additionally, it boasts a self-emptying clean base, reducing the frequency of maintenance tasks. In real-world use, the J9 Plus excels when scheduled for regular cleanings. Clear paths and charging docks for optimal operation. Use the iRobot Home app to set specific cleaning zones. For pet owners, keep the clean base emptied regularly. Maintenance is straightforward. Regularly replace or empty the clean base bag. Clean its brushes and sensors to ensure efficiency. The J9 Plus is compatible with smart home systems for voice control, enhancing your cleaning routine. User reviews highlight the J9 Plus's effective obstacle avoidance and self-emptying capability. Many appreciate its quiet operation and strong mapping accuracy. However, some note the ongoing cost of replacement bags and managing clutter for best performance. If you're curious about the clean base, it collects debris into a sealed bag, reducing exposure to allergens. The J9 Plus easily avoids common items like pet bowls. It also works across multiple floors, saving separate maps for each level. For more authoritative insights, check out trusted sources like Consumer Reports or PCMag. In summary, the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus reduces your cleaning workload efficiently. With advanced features and reliable performance, it's perfect for busy homes. Ready to elevate your cleaning routine? Check out the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus on Amazon today.